This mechanical tip is brought to you by King Chrome, professional quality tools.
Hey guys, today's segment is on brake fluid maintenance, and brake maintenance. So basically, you'll need a couple of things. You'll just need some basic tools, such as screwdrivers, wrenches, possibly Torx bits. If you've got some European bikes, you'll need some good quality brake fluid. You can either use 3, 4 or 5.1. Definitely don't use .5, which is a silicone-based brake fluid. You'll need a brake bleeder, so you can use a vacuum brake bleeder if you feel the need, or just basically a clear hose and a container for the fluid to go into. You want to basically make sure that your brake system, is serviceable, so your brake pads are in good condition, at least a millimetre, either front or rear. To start with, make sure you've got some firmness. If you don't, you may have damaged seals or a loose line or a faulty banjo bolt. From there, you get into the bleeding. So what you want to do first is access your master cylinder. I recommend putting a rag down so you don't damage any of your decals with brake fluid. If you do spill brake fluid, you can just spray some water and that'll break down the brake fluid so it doesn't eat away at your graphics or any of your componentry. Try and keep the bars level so you can get the level right in the master cylinder. Get your top cap off, screws and the rubber. Easiest way to do this is with a friend, so they can be up there with their fluid and making sure that the fluid never runs out in the master cylinder, because then you'll get a lot of air in the system and it takes quite a long time to get the trapped air out back into your bleeder. So what you want to do is you want to pump the master cylinder so you can pump all the air and the fluid back through the bleed nipple, and then you can keep topping up the master cylinder with fresh fluid. So push, crack, close, pump up. Push, open, close, pump back up. There you go, no air. Just ensure that your level on your level glass is about 3/4 full, or if there's a marker, make sure that your fluid level is on that marker. So you want to ensure that your brake fluid is being used out of a sealed container, or at least a brand new one, so then that way it's not aerated. And also replacing your brake fluids is due in your service schedule every 2 years.